Hi, I'm Mary Jo Boyd here with another eBite from Attorney Computer Systems. Today's eBite is in Worldox, and I'm going to talk about version control and when it is not available for you to use. Now, I'm not sure if you know a lot about versions, but you can save several different copies or versions of a document in Worldox. So you can have your original and then version 1, version 2, version 3, all of those can be saved into Worldox. The main point that I want to make today is that versions are not available when you're in offline mode. Now, sometimes you might have realized that you are no longer connected to your server or something has happened and you see a little offline mode in Worldox, and documents are still available and you can still see those versions, but you can't save a version to Worldox when you are in offline mode. So let me show you a little bit about versions and then just know that they're not available in offline mode. Let me show you. So I'm going to do a document, and I'm just going to make this a test document, and I'm going to save it, and it's going to pop up Worldox, and I'm going to put it into my client files, test file, and I will just put this into my ACS folder. So we'll just make this a miscellaneous document, and I'm going to save it. So now I have a document in Worldox for tests underneath my Attorney Computer Systems. I'm going to go ahead and make a modification to this document, and let's do test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to save as. And when I do, it's going to ask me here if I want to save this as version 2. So if I want to maintain my original document, but I want to save this one as version 2, I'm going to put test 2, save it as version 2, and say OK. Because Worldox is online, I can do that. And now if I go into Worldox under Attorney Computer Systems, let me get out of Word, and let's go into Attorney Computer Systems. And we'll get in here, and 00. And I can see I've got my test 2 document here, and see how I have 2 versions of that document. So if I open that up, I can say open the selected file or display the version list. So I'm going to look at the version list, and here I have my original test, and I've got my test 2. So that's a little bit, just a little taste of versions, but again, my main point here is to just make sure that you are online. Most of the time we are, but occasionally it'll say Worldox is offline, and these versions may not be available if you are in offline mode. So there you have it. I hope that eBite's been helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to visit our website or give us a call. Thanks.